Need different purchase rules for different customer types? Here's how to set up role-based limits in min-max quantities. Go to WooCommerce, then Min-Max Quantities, and click Roles tab. You'll see a list of all user roles in your store. Click on the role you want to configure. First, check the Enable Limits checkbox to activate role-specific restrictions. Role-based restrictions are organized into 3 levels. Product limits control product-level purchases. Cart limits control cart totals. And category limits let you bypass category restrictions for this role. Let's configure product limits. First, choose the limits type. You can apply rules store-wide to specific products or to specific categories. If you select specific products or specific categories, manually select your target items. If you have variable products, check Allow Combination if needed. When enabled, the restrictions apply to the total number of items across all variations. When disabled, they apply to each variation separately. Now set your limits. Minimum quantity sets the minimum units this role must purchase. Maximum quantity sets the maximum. Minimum total sets the minimum monetary value. Maximum total sets the maximum. And quantity step forces purchases in specific increments. Next, cart limits. Set minimum cart quantity for the minimum total items in the cart. Maximum cart quantity for the maximum. Minimum cart total for the minimum order value. And maximum cart total for the maximum order value. Under Category Limits, check Ignore Category Limit if you want this role to bypass all category restrictions. Click Save Changes to apply your role-specific limits. Now, let's understand the rule hierarchy. Role-based limits have the highest priority and override all other limits. The plugin checks rules in this order: role-based, product variation, product, category, then global. For example, if the global level maximum quantity is 10, the product level maximum is 20, but the wholesale role minimum quantity is 50. Wholesale users must buy at least 50 units. Role level rules always win. That's it. You now have different purchase rules for different customer types. Thanks for watching.